It wasn't until much later that the country actually completed unifying everything on the island of Great Britain, plus Northern Ireland, don't forget Northern Ireland, and all the overseas territories, don't forget the overseas territories, and Crown dependencies, you could probably forget the Crown dependence. Speaking of places in Britain, did you know that we've got some of the weirdest and hardest to pronounce places in the world?
Okay. Leicester, Fromey, Ruislip, Chiswick, Landfall.
Llanelli.
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 Oh yeah, that's Welsh, isn't it?
It is Welsh.
Oh,
so those Welsh as you
those
can get.
Welshies, you can't trust them. Oh yeah, and you guys have a town called T-Ho.
Yeah. There's a place near here called Trotter's Bottom.
I went to Bitfield. Oh, and of course you can't forget Very good, very good, very good, excellent. Cheers.
Some British place names, just from looking at the name, you can tell which part of the country it's in. So, for example, if it's got a Celtic name, which means it has words like Tre, Loch, Bryn, and Aber, that means you're likely to find it in Wales. Or if it's got a Viking suffix, such as Thwaite, Thorpe, Kirk, or Bee, that means you're likely to find it in the north. And then there are the Anglo-Saxon place names, such as Ing, Ham, Bury, Ford, Port, and so on and so on.
Units of measurement.
So, the UK was, of course, the birthplace of the famous imperial system. However, over the past few decades, the UK has been begrudgingly transitioning partially to metric.
And the choice of units to use is absolutely insane. For example, speed,
Miles per hour.
temperature,
Centigrade.
for weight,
If the subject is a person, you can use stone or pounds, but everything else kilos and grams.
for distance,
If it's long distance, like on the road, we use miles, unless if you're running, then it's kilometers, but if measuring a person, use feet and inches. Any other object, though, meters and centimeters.
for volume,
Liters and milliliters, unless it's beer or milk when we use pints, but only cow's milk, not plant milk, in which case they use pints, but pints that are a little bigger than American pints. Yeah, that's a thing. And this, of course, brings us to the famous British versus American English scenario.
The spelling subtleties are minor. Brits tend to spell words that are more similar to their Latin and Germanic origins, whereas Americans spell things more phonetically. Otherwise, some words are just completely different, such as apartment,
Flat.
fries,
Chips.
chips,
Crisps.
truck,
Lorry.
gas,
Petrol.
cookie,
Biscuit.
trash can,
Rubbish bin.
yard,
Garden.
sidewalk,
Pavement.
pavement,
Road surface.
candy,
Sweets.
faucet,
Tap.
spigot,
Tap.
flashlight,
Torch.
oatmeal.
Porridge.
But I do admit I like porridge better because it reminds me of fairy tales from childhood.
I know, just try saying the word porridge and not being just a little bit more happy.
Porridge, it's like the Goldilocks and the Three Bears.
Porridge.
Otherwise, the UK also has regionally recognized native Celtic-based minority languages.
For example, Cornish is spoken in Cornwall by about 4 people, and Scottish Gaelic is spoken in Scotland, and by far the biggest of these surviving Celtic languages is Welsh. Basically, no matter who you are or what you are, everyone born and raised in the UK will have a common understanding of a certain set of values and customs unique to the UK. For one, the schooling system.
Oh, this is a weird one.
Yeah, so you might have got hints of what it's like from the Harry Potter films and books. Uniforms are worn not only to show school identity, but also to foster a sense of unity and equality.
And you can't make fun of the kids that wear bad clothes because it's like they're all wearing the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, nobody can, well, you can still bully people.
Also, like, if you
just not on clothes.